Real Free is a fall risk prevention company. We were launching our first medical device that manages supplemental oxygen tubing. It mitigates 500,000 falls every year. In April of 2022, my grandfather was on supplemental oxygen. He tripped over the 50 feet of oxygen tubing. During that development, we got connected with C3. I always liked creating things, wanted to invent something that could benefit someone else. The issue with my grandfather's tubing just fell into our hands. In the beginning, I connected with Craig and he was nice enough to share some of his time. At first, I was surprised that someone was going to be willing to mentor us just out of the goodwill of his heart. We knew the questions we had, but we didn't know who was the right people to ask. After reaching out to a bunch of people over a few months, we connected with C3 and they had the answers to what we were looking for. We don't have access to capital. Getting those answers are almost impossible unless you have someone that's willing to share their knowledge through a mentorship program. The importance of doing due diligence when you're working with different contractors. With Craig and the C3 Medical, we were able to understand the specific electrical safety needs. With that, we were able to move forward and find the right company. And I continue to use the stuff I learned from Craig every day, growing the startup. You know, when you don't know something, do what you can to reach out and ask the question, because if you never ask a question, you'll never get the answer. We're working with a company that C3 actually recommended us, and we are also showcasing at CES in Las Vegas in January, so we're really excited. I felt like I was shooting in the dark, so looking back on where we were at the beginning of the program to now, understanding that consistency is everything. And this may be controversial, but as a startup founder, you can't do it all by yourself. The advice and mentorship from Craig at C3 helped us get to the next level.